Welcome guys, my name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a website designer and I also do stock market investing. Today's topic is rules for long-term investing. What do you do or what rules should you abide by if you are doing long-term investing? And long-term investing, I mean 10, 20 years, 30 years. And one of the things that amaze me by long-term investing is how well some shares have done in the past. Most of Safaricom, growing from 2 shillings and 30 cents to almost 37 shillings, multiplying 10 times over. Other shares like Equity Bank, which came to the stock market via introduction at 70 shillings and has multiplied almost 10 times the price. Equity went from 70 shillings to almost 700 shillings before they did a stock split, one stock for every 10 shares. Then the price dropped for about, let's can say 70 shillings. Then of course, courtesy of our economy not doing well and the corona pandemic, the stock dropped. Currently is about 36 shillings and not 70 shillings. Also KCB, there are a number of stocks that have done well over the past, that have grown in value, that have made investors rich. What are the rules for long-term investing? The first rule is this: risk what you are ready to lose. You see, the investment landscape is like a minefield. Anything can happen. It's a landmine. Let me say, I'm a landmine. Anything can happen. You can be happy investing in a given company. Then tomorrow, things just erupt. Like let's take Safaricom for example. Before the 2007 elections, 2017 elections, Safaricom, or during the 2017 elections, Safaricom was about 32 shillings. Then in one day, politics went haywire. The opposition said resist, and Safaricom dropped from 32 shillings to 20 shillings, around 21 shillings in one day, losing about 12 shillings, losing about, let me say, almost 30%. Anything can happen in politics. And it's not only, anything can happen in the stock market. And it's not only politics that affect the stock market. Many things affect the stock market. There's politics, there's something we call pestle, which is political. We have environmental, we have legal, we have telecommunications or technological innovations. All these things affect the stock market. Anything can happen. It is like a landmine. Sometimes things can go very well. You find your stocks going well, growing. Sometimes things happen. Disaster happens. Like corona pandemic. We didn't know that corona would come. And what happened with corona? Most stocks took a nosedive. Most stocks went down. The other rule in stock market investing: reinvest the dividends. Every year, there are companies like Stanchart, like East African breweries. They give very good dividends. So when you get the dividends, don't eat the dividends. Reinvest back the dividends so that this thing can grow and grow and grow. The other thing about stock market investing is invest in the things you understand. How does Safaricom operate? You know that Safaricom is a telecommunications company, and it makes money through calls, it makes money through data, and it makes money through M-Pesa, among other things. Understand how the company you are investing in operates. How does EABL, for example, operate? You know that it makes alcoholic beverages. It makes alcohol. So understand, before you invest in any company, get to know how do these people make money, and can they be making money over the next 10, 20, 30, 40 years. Can they consistently make profits? Can they consistently grow the brand, grow the value? make customers, make investors rich. The other thing you need to understand for long-term investing, you need to diversify. Don't diversify so much. You can have some 3, 4, 5 stocks. Don't have like 10, 20 stocks. Managing them and following them can be tricky. The other thing I want to tell you is create a plan and stick to it. Very important. The other thing is avoid panic selling. The same way I've told you during elections, 2017 elections, when the opposition decided to create resist movement, Safaricom share dropped from 32 to 21. Most people went into panic selling and they sold the stock. Eventually the stock went up from 21 to currently it is 37. So avoid panic selling. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. If you like this video, I have one request. Please subscribe. Subscribe button is down here. Share this video with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. My aim is to create a generation of people who can invest, grow wealth, save, invest, grow wealth, so that our years we can live comfortably. We can all be rich and become millionaires. That is my aim for myself and for you. Asanteni sana. Bye bye. Au revoir. Zaijian. Oriti. Kwaheri. Thank you.